Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're going to dive into the future of gaming and computing, the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. This behemoth of a PC is packing some serious punch, and I'm excited to show you what it's got under the hood. First up, let's talk about the brainpower behind this machine. Inside the Legion Tower 7i, you'll find the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor. Think of it like the engine that makes your PC go vroom. This CPU is a powerhouse, with AI-enhanced multitasking, fast response times, and overclocking potential that lets you push its limits to get insane performance. It's like having a super-powered version of yourself in your machine, only instead of superpowers, it's actual processing speed. But the Core Ultra 9 isn't just for games or workloads. It's also designed for creative tasks like video editing and 3D modeling. With its AI-enhanced capabilities, you can enjoy smooth performance even when working with multiple applications at once. And if that's not enough, this processor can be overclocked to give you the ultimate edge in demanding experiences. Now, let's talk graphics. We're talking about some next-gen stuff here. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i comes equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, which is essentially a dedicated graphics card that means it's only used for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. This baby features DLSS 4, ray tracing with 4th Gen RT cores, and Reflex 2, all of which work together to deliver cinematic visuals and ultra-high frame rates. It's like having your very own movie theater in the comfort of your home. But what does that mean for you? Well, imagine being able to render Blender animations 2.7x faster with NPU acceleration. It means you can get more done in less time, without sacrificing quality. And with this GPU lineup, you'll be enjoying jaw-dropping graphics fidelity like never before. Now, let's talk about storage and memory, the heart of any PC. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i comes with two PCIe NVMe M.2 slots that enable up to 8 TB of total storage space, which means you can store all your favorite games, movies, and files without worrying about running out of room. And if that's not enough, this machine also supports 64 GB of DDR5 XMP memory. That's like having a super speedy file transfer system that lets you work and play with ease. But storage isn't the only thing that matters here. The Legion Tower 7i also comes equipped with Legion Coldfront Cooling, essentially a liquid cooling system that keeps your machine running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions or video editing marathons. It's like having your own personal climate control, right in your PC. And then there's the networking side of things, all about speed and latency. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i comes with over double the speed of standard Ethernet thanks to its 2.5G connection, which means you can play games without lag or wait for slow loading times. And if that's not enough, this machine also features a 10 gigabits per second USB-C port that lets you connect your peripherals at lightning-fast speeds. But what about wireless connectivity? The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i has got you covered there too. With Wi-Fi 6E, you can enjoy ultra-fast wireless speeds for gaming and streaming. It's like having the internet in your fingertips. Alright, folks, that's it. I've shown you all the amazing features of the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. If you're ready to level up your gaming and computing experience, check out the link below to get your hands on this incredible machine. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.